No yeast? No problem. This easy naan bread recipe gives you soft, fluffy naan without waiting for dough to rise. Perfect for busy days. Here's what you'll need: flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, yogurt, water, and a little oil or butter. That's it. Start by mixing the dry ingredients: flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Then, add yogurt, water, and oil. Mix everything until a dough forms. If your dough is too dry, add a tiny splash of milk. If it's too sticky, just sprinkle in a little flour. The key is to get a soft, smooth texture. Now divide the dough into 6 to 8 equal portions and roll them into oval or round shapes. Don't make them too thin. Heat a pan on medium-high heat and place your rolled naan. You'll see bubbles start to form. That's when it's time to flip. Cook for another minute until golden brown. And for extra flavor, brush with melted butter or garlic butter. Look at this, soft, fluffy, and absolutely delicious. No yeast, no waiting, just perfect homemade naan in minutes, perfect for chicken tikka masala.